Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. I have a lot of time on my hands, never said any working mom. And so we are always looking for ways and means to put food on the table real quick. And that's where this fried rice recipe comes in handy. So come along and let's get started. In this recipe, I'll be using basmati rice, but any long grain rice will do. And I have here my famous homemade all-purpose marinade, which is a type of ginger blend, and I will leave the link down below so you can check it out. I have some chopped carrots, onions, some eggs. I have some frozen peas, but as always, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Before we can start with the actual stir frying of our rice, we need to have some boiled rice which is completely cooled, and so leftover rice works perfectly in recipes like this. But I don't have any leftover rice, so I'm going to boil my basmati, and I choose to wash mine. It is entirely up to you whether you want to wash yours or not. I add it to my pot and add a little bit of water. And once again, how much water you need to add when cooking rice totally depends on the type of rice you are using. But you can check the description box to find out exactly the ratios I used. Whilst the rice is cooking, I'm going to crack in 5 eggs into this cup right here. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of black and white pepper, onion, a garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. Whisk your eggs until they are light and fluffy, and fry your eggs on a medium-low heat until they are set. Once set, I'm going to scramble it with my spatula because I want chunks of eggs in my fried rice. I don't want it too scrambled. Now set your scrambled eggs aside and check back on your rice. I'm cooking just 4 cups of rice, so I check back on my rice and it is perfectly cooked in no time. And so I use my fork to fluff it out, and I'm going to spread it out on a tray and allow it to cool down completely before we start with the frying of the rice. In my wok, I'm heating up some oil to which I'm going to add my sliced onions, and I'm going to fry this until it's translucent and it begins to release its flavor. Next, I'm going to add my homemade all-purpose marinade, and if you don't have that, you can use some blended ginger, garlic, or some peppers just to infuse some flavor into your oil. In my opinion, every good fried rice needs some aromatic base. This is how you infuse flavor into your fried rice and have a very tasty end result. I just added my chopped carrots, and now I add my chopped cabbage and stir fry this for about 2 minutes. You want your vegetables to remain fresh and crunchy, so you don't want to overcook them. Add your frozen peas and stir fry for an additional 1 minute, and then add your rice, which is at this point completely cooled down. Next, I'm going to add a splash of plain vinegar, and this will give your fried rice a very authentic flavor. I add some light soy sauce and some sweet soy sauce, which is ketchup mayonnaise. The ketchup mayonnaise will give your fried rice a very beautiful golden color, and I love that so much. Once everything is well incorporated, I'm going to add the second batch of my rice because I divided it into 2 just so I would be able to toss it very well. If not, you're going to give yourself an arm work, and that is fine too. Continue stir frying this, and you want to add more of the soy sauce and the sweet soy sauce according to your taste and preference, or how dark or light you want your rice to be. Stir fry this until the rice becomes very uniformed in color. At this point, our fried rice is almost done. All we need to do is to add back our eggs, add some chopped spring onions, and then stir fry this as well. This is just to finish off our rice. The spring onions gives it a very beautiful fragrance that I like so much. And lastly, you want to drizzle some sesame oil onto your rice. Let's say about 2 teaspoons. And this is going to finish off your rice. It will give your rice that authentic fragrance and taste. If you haven't tried sesame oil in your fried rice before, you really need to try it. This fried rice is so easy to make and therefore perfect for a very busy weeknight. And so I hope you try this in case you were looking for some inspiration to whip up some quick dinner for your family. Serve this with some grilled chicken or fish and you are good to go. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, try to cook this meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.